In this video, I'm gonna teach you how to fix friends not showing up on Xbox. It's a very quick and easy process, so make sure to follow along. First of all, if your friends list on your Xbox isn't working properly, make sure to go to the Xbox status website at support.xbox.com and check the status of all Xbox servers. Make sure that all services are up and running and that the Friends and Social Activity tab is not having a limited or major outage. After you check if all the servers are working properly, you can try restarting your Xbox or restarting the dashboard by pressing a combination of keys on your controller. If the servers are up and running and you should be able to see your friends list, and even after restarting your Xbox your friends didn't appear, you might want to consider resyncing your Xbox account, so log out of your Microsoft account in your Xbox and log back in again to see if your friends list is once again synced. I hope I was able to help you on how to fix friends not showing up on Xbox. If this video helped you, please be sure to leave a like and subscribe for more quick and easy tips. Thank you for watching.